Hello and welcome to this other video of B2B product variance matrix for the Magento 2 platform. In the previous video, we just showed you how the admin would be able to configure the product variance matrix on the product page for the various existing and new configurable products. And in today's video tutorial, I will be showing you how the customers would be able to make use of the product variant matrix at the web store front end and on the product page for the configurable product, and how they can view whether the different variations are in stock and the different quantity for each of the respective variations, and how they can see the total number of selected variations plus the cost of each variation, and how they can place an order for the multiple variations at the same time. So before proceeding any further, let me give you a small gist of this particular plugin. So basically this plugin provides an easy feature for the configurable products that would allow the customers to select and add various product variations at the same time to the cart, and they can also check out at the same time with the each variations, and the customers can also check the each variation quantity as well, and thereby it basically enhances or improves the customer experience and makes configurable products easy to navigate and use. Also, using this plugin functionality, the store admin can configure product matrix settings as global or product wise, and can choose to display the quantity and price of the variants as well. On the other hand, the customer can add more than one product variation to the cart at a time, and a pop-up on hovering the mouse over a matrix displays the respective variants in stock quantity details to the customer. And thus this particular plugin replaces the default configurable options with a clean matrix table, thus allowing the customers to add more than one variant of the configurable product to the cart at once and order much quickly. So let's get in and let's see how this particular plugin works at the web store front end. So for that, I'll be taking you to the web store front end now for the Magento 2 platform. So right now I'm at the web store front end, and here we have this particular product, that's a cassia funnel sweatshirt. And on this product page, as you can see, we have the different variations for this particular product, and that is, it is having 5 different sizes and 3 different colors for each of the sizes that have been created. Now the customers can easily add the variations to the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. So there is no need for any long type of procedures so as to check and add the product into the cart. So for example, if the customer wants to add the orange color and medium size for this particular sweatshirt, he can just hover his mouse, and here you can see that it's in stock with the quantity 100. And similarly for rest of the options, the customer can check the in stock or out stock and can also check the quantity for each of the sizes there. So right now here you can see that we have the quantity 100 for each of the products that we have that are basically the different variations of this particular product. So we have 3 different colors and 5 different sizes for this product. Now here you can see the option as quantity and the price. So depending upon the price and the quantity of each of the variations, the customer can add them to the cart. So for example, if we choose 5 quantity of the XS size, then here you can see that the quantity has been set up as 5 with the price equals to $240. And similarly, if we go for the orange color and the medium size with 6, so here you can see that it has raised to 11 and $528. And similarly, the customer can choose any number of variations depending upon the actual quantity of the product that is available right now. So we'll go for 5 for this, and 9 for this, and 9 for this. And here you can see that the total quantity is visible, that is 34 units, and the price for each of the units for the different price variations and the sizes comes up to $1,632. So now let me go ahead and let me place an order for this particular configurable product. So let me sign into my account first. So I'll be logging in with the demo account here, as this is just a demonstration purpose for the functionality of this particular plugin for the configurable products. So we are back on the product page here for the configurable product, and here you can see the matrix is visible for the configurable product, and it is totally different from the one that is seen within the default Magento 2 system. And here the customers can easily choose the color and the size, and can check the in stock and quantity of the particular variation for the actual product. So let's select some variations here, and thereafter we'll be placing the order all together. So here you can see that the quantity and the price are being changed. The total number of units for each of the variations that we have chosen comes out to 32, and the total price comes out to $1,536. Now the customers can also tap the reset all to reset all the quantities they have chosen for each of the variations and the sizes here within the matrix itself. And now I can tap on the add to cart button, and this would add all of these variations to the cart at the same time, and thereby saving the time of the customers, and thus the customers can quickly place the order. So I've added the total comes out to 64 here. So here are the different variations that we have chosen. For example, here you can see for each variation that we have added, you can see the size and the color with the quantity and the price per unit. Similarly, here you can see this one. We have an XS with an orange with the actual unit quantity and the quantity that price and the quantity for this particular XS orange size and color variation. Now let me tap on the proceed to checkout button. So altogether I can let you know that basically the product matrix allows an easy navigation to all the variations of a configurable product, and it saves a lot of time to the consumers who want to purchase in the products from the online web stores. So what I'll do is I'll just choose my shipping method, and I'll be placing the order now. Let me choose a payment method for this particular order, and let me tap the place order button. So on the right hand side you can see all of the 64 items in cart with their quantity and their price for each of the variations that we have chosen. So the order has been processed, and the order number is 54. Let me check my order by navigating to my orders section. So I'll go to my orders section, and here I can see here is the order that I've just placed for the order number 54 with an order total of $3,409. Let me tap on the view order, and this will display all the variations that are added for that particular configurable product from the web store front end with the details of each. So here's the order number 54, and you can see the items that I've ordered. Here we have the product name column, the SKU, the price and the quantity for each that we have ordered, and the subtotal for each. So here we can see the size and the color for each of the product variations that we had chosen, and here's the grand total for $3,409. So the actual cost is $3,072, and thus the customer can see the various variations that he had added to the cart and placed the order for. So that was much about the B2B product variants matrix for the Magento 2 platform, and I hope it helped you out. If you have any questions or queries regarding this plugin, you can always get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you may raise a ticket at webcool.uvidesk.com. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day ahead.